We're here at Plantation Homes, Majestic Home, to take a look and see what is inside. Come follow me.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And wow, look at this, I've stayed. So you'll notice that around here there's a beautifully landscaped garden where it's got a gorgeous waterfall design over here, which is really tranquil. When you come in, you see these beautiful climbing leaves all over and it'll flower in during the summer, which is fantastic. Gorgeous white pebbles there. And of course, the signature French shutters, which are very in vogue at the moment. And then as you come round, you can see this grand opening here with two pillars either side and your lighting. So when you are at night time, you can just flick on the lights. Or if you want to just chill outside, you might just have a seat here on the doorstep and just listen to that gorgeous waterfall feature. I gotta say, it's so calming here. But let's check out the inside. Quite positively, the wow factor of this house is this stunning, gorgeous double staircase, which I've got to say, if you're expecting guests over, you can just be like, hello, welcome to my grand maison. And then you'll step inside here, which is your family area, the seating area. And you'll notice that the floor has changed from tiles through to wood to give a bit more of a comfy, cozy feel. And really there's ample space here for you to have a seat with your loved ones, watch a bit of telly, kick back, enjoy, pop your feet up even, and just look at the beautiful view that you have to offer. But if you're feeling a little bit nippy and hungry, you might want to just walk your way through here, past this really wide expanse corridor. Now you might think, why would I have so much space for a corridor? Well, you could quite simply have some entertainment functions. You could have a bit of dancing here. Who knows what you might want to do. But for your guests, as they come through, they'll be greeted with this gorgeously styled powder room, which consists of a sink and of course a toilet. Not for public use, guys. No. Now, once you've powdered your nose, this is what I'm talking about. This is so exquisite. French Provincial at its finest. French Provincial at its finest. There is a gorgeous space for some dining areas where you can sit down with your friends, have an stately dinner, whilst your butler serves you perhaps, maybe. But what is so stunning about this is the view of the swimming pool. Now, how gorgeous is it to be just here on the side, watching the pool? You could be watching your friends, having a little dip there. Who knows what you're doing, but you're just having a really fun time. I love this. This is like my favorite part of this whole room so far is this. I wonder if these doors open, maybe you can just jump in and take a dive. Well, I'm sure it's up for customization. If you do want to get to the pool, that might be a fun way to do it. I love that. That is such a sweet feature. And I guess over the summertime as well, you can always put a shade on the top if it does get too hot, or if you just want to block out your neighbors because they are fairly close to you, you can just block it out by putting a shade cell on the top. Just ideas. Let's take a look where, look at this bench top. My goodness, this is a bench top. My gosh. Let me just see how wide this bench top is, because those of you out there really want to know, why do you need such a big bench top? Well, this is 1.4 meters depth. So they probably got a couple of cabinets this way and a whole whopping 3.3 meters in length. My goodness. This in itself is like a huge breakfast bar, you know. I'm not sure what I would do with this space. You certainly got some drawers over here. Let's take a look. You've got your dishwasher, gets a nice idea. Smeg, of course, darling, of course. And then under here, you've got some cabinetry, so just some simple cabinet space for you to customize as much as you want. And then, of course, you've got your drop-in sink with your gooseneck tap, and that is all very en vogue right now. And under here, you've got another small cabinet, which you can customize how you like. And let's see if they've got soft close. Oh, no soft close hinges. That is probably not what I was expecting in this particular house. And over here, you've got a set of drawers for your cutlery once you've washed them in the dishwasher and so on and so forth. And then behind you, you've got some gorgeously, I think, 90 centimeter drawers. No, 116. That's like huge. That is a wide drawer. I wonder how much weight you could put in this. At least these ones are soft close. That is important. And then you've got so much space for any other cabinets that you like. Over here, they've opted for that nice glass open, and here a mosaic tile. And then you've got your canopy range hood plus your gas oven. So that's pretty cool. I like the symmetry. But what's more exciting is what is behind me right now. Over here, of course, you've got your wine cabinet, your wine chiller. Yep. And naturally, your fridge, freezer. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. I have to say that's pretty cool. And if that's not enough for you, if that's not enough kitchen, then what have we got here? It is the butler's pantry. Ample amount of storage, another sink, another stone bench top, more cupboards. Oh my goodness me, all of that. You know, you will not be short of any storage in this home. Okay, so once your butler has done all of your preparation for you, all you really need to do is just sit down, relax, and enjoy that gorgeous sound. With your friends, you might have some formal meetings. You might just say, well, hey, I really want a cup of tea over here. Or better still, you might take it al fresco. You might take it al fresco into this gorgeous outdoor seating area by the pool. Yes, you could do some serious photo shoots over here. Of course, there is a pool door which has got a lock on it, so that's safe for children. Or if you're feeling like, you know, the sun's out, you really want to barbecue, well, what more do they have than an outdoor barbecue area? I gotta say, this place has got it covered. And even for the kids, there is also a green patch that they can just play on the grass over there with their bicycles and their footballs. So it's pretty impressive so far for the downstairs. I've got to say, it's got pretty much everything that you want. Let's take a look upstairs. Ooh, which way shall I go? Which way shall I go? Once you've had your entertaining, well, it's time to go upstairs for the family rumpus. Now, you may just want to watch your loved ones on the sofa whilst another one plays diligently on the piano. Oh, well, what can we do today? Let's play on the piano. La, 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 la. Oh, and then once you've done that, you'll retire into your bedroom, which is over here. Now, this is the children's quarter. As you can see here, this is actually a really decent sized room, I have to say. It does have a single bed in, but you could certainly put in a double bed over here with some nice bedside cabinets. What I do like about this house is the colour scheme. It is quite a neutral colour scheme and it seems to match the carpets quite nicely. And then going through here, of course, every princess needs a walk-in toilet and bathroom. And what you'll notice here, there is a shower, a toilet and a vanity over here. Again, with the similar bench top as downstairs in the kitchen, so they've kept that nice theme going on. But what is interesting is having a wardrobe past the toilet. Let's take a look. So it's a decent sized wardrobe, but I'm not too sure if there'll be some stinkers. Let's just leave this one and take a look at what the adults' corner of the house is. I do love all of this free space, the high ceilings, the glorious chandelier coming down. The only thing that lets it down is that you can see right into your neighbour's house and literally look into their bedroom right there.
Depends if they're hot.
Oh, don't you just love these mirrors? That is such a classy look to the house. And also, you've also got some speakers there as well. So if you want to just have the music on for everybody, you definitely have got the speakers for it. So this one is a nice, decent sized room again. It's got a double bed, plenty of room either side, and there is another walk-in wardrobe. Interesting how this one doesn't have its own ensuite. I'm gonna say the robes are a bit small. You definitely don't need that many clothes to live in this place, but that's okay. Maybe you can add some in. And through here as well is a slightly older teenager, which has got a bit more room. Another double bed again with the shutters on the side, and again another fairly small sized wardrobe. Bye. But before we do that, maybe if you need some more storage space, you've got this, which is a linen cupboard, which may be another overflow for your wardrobes if you have got too little space. And this is your shared toilet over here. Again, a single sink, a toilet, and the shower and bathtub over here. Yeah, I like this because it's all tiled over. It's really simple, and it's actually, that's a fairly small bathtub. I have to say that is quite small. Definitely for a teenager or a young adult, not for me. And then through here, you've got another linen cupboard. They've really thought about all of the storage here, which is a really good idea. I've got to say, the only thing I would criticize is the bathtub style. But again, guys, this is customizable. You can just customize it how you like. Oh, such a long day of entertaining. And wow, look at this. I've stepped into my grand master bedroom. I'm just gonna have a lie down on the bed. And boy, oh boy, does this room have enough lighting. There are so many windows. I love this because there's so much natural lighting just oozing through. You've got a king size or a queen size bed over here. You can just rest away. There is so much floor space over here. Even when you wake up in the morning, you might just wanna have your cup of coffee, have a seat, read a book, and not worry about anything because the room is so spacious and so tidy. But of course, we all know that when you wake up, you brush your teeth, and here it is. Here is the grand master, the grand master bathroom. Again, you've got a moderately sized bathtub. You've got a single shower. I probably would want a double shower if this was a master bedroom. But you know, these are things that you can modify. You've got a his and her vanity, dual vanity, and of course a toilet, which is separate so that when you are going to the stinker, you can say, I'm not smelling that today, thank you. Now, as a woman who's got lots of clothes, you want to have a look at my wardrobe. And here it is. It's all the way through here. Again, you've got double sides of the wardrobes. You've got a few cupboards, drawers over there. I probably would need a few more, but that's okay because there are a few more right here and here. And you could probably allocate her and his.
And you can get change in front of your neighbours.
And so that completes this house tour of the Plantation Homes Majestic style. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Would you buy this or not? We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Damn.